In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free courses on Udemy. First, open Udemy in your browser and look for the search bar at the top. Click into it and type the phrase free course, then press enter. This simple search surfaces a wide range of no-cost options across topics. To make your results even more relevant, use the filters that appear on the left or top of the results page. Set price to free so you only see courses that cost nothing, and refine by category, language, level, ratings, or video duration to match what you're after. The filters are optional, but they save time and help you focus on quality courses that fit your learning goals. Next, browse the results and pick a course that interests you. Open the course page to get a feel for what you'll learn. Read the description and the What You'll Learn section, scan the curriculum to see the lecture list, and check when the course was last updated. Ratings and reviews can help you judge whether the content is clear and up to date. Many courses offer a free preview. Play a short clip to hear the instructor's style, and verify the pace suits you. As you evaluate, confirm that the course shows as free near the enrollment button. If you see a coupon reference or a countdown, keep in mind that availability can change, so it's a good idea to enroll while it's free. When you've found the right course, click the Enroll Now button. If you're already signed in, Udemy will add the course to your account immediately. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to log in or create an account before enrollment is completed. After a moment, you'll land on the course dashboard, where you can press Start Course to begin the first lecture. From now on, the course will appear under My Learning, making it easy to return anytime. You can adjust playback speed, turn on subtitles if they're available, and take notes as you go. If you prefer learning on the go, you can also access the course from the Udemy mobile app once it's in your library. That's all there is to it. Search for free course, browse, and select a free option that fits your needs, and click Enroll Now to lock it in. Enjoy exploring new skills at no cost, and keep an eye on the catalog. New free courses appear regularly.